Imagine discovering a cryptocurrency today that could outperform Bitcoin tomorrow. No, this isn't hype. It's the reality many smart investors are preparing for. The next giant in crypto isn't just about hype or trends. It's about real utility, mass adoption, and unstoppable momentum. In this video, we'll reveal the coin that analysts and even insiders from Silicon Valley believe could shake the entire crypto market. So stay tuned. What you'll hear might just change your portfolio forever. Bitcoin is the king today, but it's not perfect. Its network is slow, expensive, and uses immense energy. That's why Ethereum, Solana, and even newer contenders are grabbing attention. Even Elon Musk hinted at Bitcoin's energy problem when he pulled Tesla payments from BTC in 2021. Investors are asking, what's the next phase in crypto? And the answer might not be what you expect. This cryptocurrency isn't just another altcoin. It's a project backed by a real team, real tech, and real vision. In the first quarter of 2025 alone, its user base grew by over 300%. Adoption in DeFi, NFTs, and even real-world logistics is exploding. Some are calling it the Ethereum of AI because of how it integrates smart contracts with machine learning. Here's what sets this project apart. Institutions are buying. While retail investors sleep on it, hedge funds and blockchain VCs are securing massive stakes. Big names like Andreessen Horowitz and Pantera Capital have started showing serious interest. Why? Because this coin has actual infrastructure partners. Think Oracle, IBM, and even whispers of Amazon integration. This coin is solving real-world problems, from cross-border payments to secure identity. In regions like Southeast Asia and Latin America, it's already being tested as a low-cost remittance solution. Unlike meme coins, this token has a use case that can thrive even in bear markets, and that's what makes it resilient. It's not just about hype. The tokenomics are built for long-term growth. A fixed supply of only 150 million tokens with 75% already in circulation, burn mechanisms, staking rewards, and low inflation all point to a bullish future. Compare that to Dogecoin's infinite supply or Ethereum's complicated merge, and you'll see the difference. Communities build empires in crypto. This coin has a fast-growing global Discord, dev teams in Europe and Asia, and hackathons funded by DAOs. It's not just a coin, it's a movement. When a crypto project turns into a culture, that's when adoption explodes. Top analysts at Masari and Coin Bureau are bullish. Short-term targets put the coin at $3 by Q4 2025. Long-term? A $15 to $20 valuation if adoption trends continue. Compare that to its current price of 40 cents. And you'll see why this may be the most undervalued asset in crypto. The window is narrow, but still open. Whales are quietly accumulating while the general public is distracted. This is often how massive gains are made. Buying when nobody's watching. Timing is everything. And this may be your timing. Whether you're a trader, investor, or just a curious crypto enthusiast, this is your moment. Don't wait for mainstream media to tell you what's already gone 10 times. You've now seen the data, the trends, and the insider interest. Will you act now or look back and regret? Smash that like button. Share this video with someone who needs to see it, and don't forget to subscribe for more high-value crypto insights.